But anyway, this is what it is. Here goes another one, the new one. It says IP21 right there. Let's see the other one. IP21. Look at the writing. 48-volt, 3000Va, and 35 amp Multiplus. And here they are, the family. Just like a husband and wife, or mama and papa, or mama and kid, and the rest of the family here. Yeah, Cerbo GX. And here is the display. So everything is complete, and we have the bus bar thing over there, which you already have. And another video, I'll give you all the specifications and all the cool stuff that we already have for Victron. And even we have the shunts, smart shunt. It's right here. It's working right now. So this is what it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe.